Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. We are back again with a weekly analysis on all the indexes, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we will also see what are the other stocks which we can focus on. So let's understand what is the market structure on monthly time frame. This is your monthly time frame, and we are using a 5, a 20, and a 200, three moving averages. Okay, so the price is already away from 20, it's away from 200, and it closed away from 5 as well. So three spaces we can see are created. So this candle closing below this will be a complete bearish sign. So we are intact in the trend as of now. Okay, every time it comes to 20, there is a bounce, there is a bounce here, there is a bounce here. So this is a very good sign of strength. So now let's wait for this month closure. If the candle closes above this high, then definitely we can expect the market to move higher only. Okay, so this is a monthly time frame analysis. So let's look at what is the weekly time frame telling us. So weekly, as you can see, this was the previous high. Now we made a new high, and this was the lowest point after this high, so which led to this high. Now we have level here. Okay, either this complete reversal happens on a weekly time frame, then we can expect the market to go higher. If it drops from here, then you can say that this is going to drop, and this will be the next level, which is 45,252, which is a very big drop. Okay, so this level is very crucial. If it falls, these are the levels which it can come up to. Now coming to a daily time frame, we always analyze the market in three time frames, which is monthly, weekly, and daily, for a broader perspective. On a daily time frame, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, the price is close to 200 period moving average. It has taken a support, but still sometimes, see, consider this entire, this is your zone. Okay, moving averages are not like pinpoint locations of single line where you can expect the bounce. This is a complete location. So this location, it has bounced once. There can be a possibility that it can go deeper also into this to take a bounce, so which is evident and which we cannot avoid. So as of now, in a daily time frame, it looks pretty bearish to me. So this, see, the structure shift happened from here. It made a new low, and then this was the high, then this is the new low, now this is the high. So this is a chop point now. So if market has to reverse, it has to reverse above this. The candle has to close above this, only then we can say that it has turned bullish on a daily time frame. So our monthly is bullish, weekly is also bullish, daily is bearish. Okay, which we need to keep in mind. So this has to align. Once this structure is changed, after this character change here, if the candle closes above this, then we can expect the market to move up. Till that time, the trend is bearish on the daily time frame. Okay, so now we are going to trade on Monday. See, the nearest support on a daily chart is this level. Okay, if anywhere the market opens up in this zone, 55,200 zone, Bank Nifty will start falling from here. This is a resistance for Bank Nifty. Let's go to a 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, you can see this is already getting rejected at a 200 period moving average. So this 200 period moving average is acting as a resistance. If you can see, if anywhere the candle opens up in this and sustains here and starts moving up, then we can say, okay, this is giving it support and it will start to move up. But if the rejection happens and any candle closes below this 1 hour candle, pardon me for my drawing, okay, 1 hour candle closes like this and then a green candle bounce, then you should start selling so that the selling can continue like this. Okay, so this is on 1 hour time frame. Let's look at 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes is getting a good rejection. You can see the distance from 200. Okay, and this was a distance from 5. Okay, as of now, this trend is still up, but this high has to be broken. So it's giving you a symmetrical pattern. This has to be broken so that it makes a new high. If it drops from here, then the target can be this much. Okay, 54,293. So always the price snaps back till 200 and then takes a bounce from there. So this is what we can see. We can see what is contributing to Bank Nifty, which is your major banks. So I'll just open the major banks. Let's look at HDFC Bank's chart. HDFC Bank chart on a weekly time frame, it has closed below 20. So there can be a chance that it can drop from here. So this is what we need to watch. If we get a green candle above this on a weekly time frame, then the market will move. Now what will happen on Monday? Let's look at a 1 hour time frame on HDFC Bank. So 1 hour time frame on HDFC is a symmetrical pattern. Either it has to go down or it has to go up from here. So this is a level, right? If it drops into this level, then there can be a push towards upside. So HDFC is not showing strength as of now. So it depends upon the open, we can decide. Let's go to ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank looks positive, but the selling, the candle sizes have reduced. You can see till here it was a bullish. Here it got completely absorbed. Here 50% absorbed. Now there is a narrow range candle. If anywhere it opens below this, then we can expect the fall in ICICI Bank also. HDFC, ICICI, then let's look at SBI. SBI is again a little bullish pattern only, but yes, it has to close above this equal highs which it made. Only then we can change the direction. If it falls from here, then the target will be till 813. So if these three fall, then Bank Nifty also falls. Okay, so that's about Bank Nifty. Let's look at Nifty now. निफ्टी में क्या होने वाला है? निफ्टी पे बहुत सारी ड्राइंग हमने करके रखी है, सो इसको डिलीट करते हैं. ओके, सो ये हमारा 1 आवर का चार्ट है. सो बेसिक सेटअप में हमको क्या दिख रहा है? 200 से 20 काफ़ी डिस्टेंस में है और 20 से प्राइस भी काफ़ी डिस्टेंस में है. सो जब भी ऐसा कोई डिस्टेंस होता है मार्केट में, so the price will snap back to 20 first. अगर 20 होल्ड कर लेता है, then it will start moving up. अगर 20 ब्रेक करेगा, so the next target will be this. This will start moving like this and it can come down till this level. So simple है, we use only 5, 20 and 200 moving averages. So this will give us good picture, and always take trades of put like when they are away from these moving averages. And if the averages are close together, always look out for entries like bars which are taking out the high of this green candle and sustaining above this moving averages will give you good bounce, right? So simple technique, you can always watch it on any time frame. So Nifty looks a little bearish on a daily, on a 1 hour time frame. So let's see on a 15 minutes time frame what is the scenario. On a 15 minutes time frame, it made a new high, then it became flat. Okay, either we should get a candle like this for it to move up. If it snaps, then the target can be 200 period moving average. In a 15-minute time frame, you can see what is the distance it has covered. The price is 2 away from this moving average. So let me show you in the past how it was. So the price was 2 away, then it snapped back to 200. From there it took a bounce and now it is going away from there. Okay, so the price was too low, then it snapped back 2 away from all the moving averages. It was evident that it can come back to the moving averages zone. As I told you, these are all zones. Don't consider them as lines कि यहीं तक आना चाहिए. So consider this as a complete zone. Okay, so the zone has to hold. So on a 15-minute time frame, what are we seeing? We are saying the market is too far, but it is holding up the 20. So for me, the close below this level is important. If it closes below this level, then there is drop, base drop formation, and this can be easily a level where it can drop into. So we have to watch for the open, how the open is on Monday morning. Okay, last week we have looked at the stock which is cement stock. Barak cement stocks. Barak Valley cement. So this was the weekly chart which we have seen. So we have noticed that there was a good spike and the price was holding up the moving averages, as you can see. So it nicely jumped to which level? This level, up to 70. From 50 it went up to 70. Now it is at 59. If this is a rally base, and then we can expect a rally. So this kind of a formation. The price is too away from 5, away from 20. So expect a little bit of retracement back into this level. Okay, this is a good buying opportunity for you. Then it can go up. Okay, so let's see how are the other stocks which are there in Nifty 50. Are they giving us any kind of signal to check? So let's see on a daily time frame, what is Adani doing? You guys can now easily identify because Adani is on 200. So any candle closing below this is a rejection. It will continue to the trend. Adani Ports is away, so it can snap back. Axis Bank is bullish. We have to see what is the open. If it opens and sustains this level, this gap will be filled. Bajaj Finance is very, very bullish. Bharti Airtel is sideways. Cipla is bullish. Coal India is also bullish. Dr. Reddy's is very bullish. The change in character has happened here. So this will move further away. HCL Tech is bearish. It is going down. HDFC Bank we have just analyzed. So depends upon the open how it goes. Hindustan Unilever, you can see it's bearish. ICICI Bank we discussed, depends upon the open. Infi is sideways. ITC is in sideways. JSW is bullish, very bullish. This was the low, this was the new high, then this was the low, and this is the new high. So this is in a trend. It's bullish. Kotak Bank sideways. LT again, it will halt at 200 moving average for some time. M&M bearish. It can do a reversal from here. See this. This was the high. This was the low, and this is a new high now. So it might come up to this levels again, and then form a new high. NTPC bearish, ONGC bearish, Power Grid. This level is important. This change of structure has to happen. Reliance has got a good support from the 200 level, and this level is critical. If it breaks this level, then it will start going up. SPI sideways. Sun Pharma is bearish. Tata is sideways. Tata Motors can turn bullish because it is holding the 200 period moving average. So keep a watch on this. TCS bearish sideways. Techem sideways. Titan has dropped, so this was a chalk, and this is the new high which it made, and this was a double top where it started falling. So if it breaks this level again, it will go into this cycle of sideways. Wipro sideways. So these are the stocks which are there in Nifty 50. So that's it for this week, guys. I hope you're learning something from this video, and we will come back to you again in the next video for next week. Thank you so much for watching.